Hi friends, today we will do the KodeKloud hands-on lab. The lab name is Networking Basics. This is the 10th lab of the course Learning Linux Basic Course and Labs. Let's go. Which IP address are assigned to Bob's laptop on its primary network interfaces? For that we will use the IPA command on Bob's laptop and look for the inet IP addresses on interfaces named H0. Now we will look for the inet IP addresses. Here it is, and there are more. This is the one with H0. So the answer is 10.244.81.3132. Here it is. What is the name of the interfaces that has the IPs from the previous question's address assigned? Run IPA or check the interfaces to which the IPs are assigned, or run IP link. I will run IP link. So you can see here there are the name of the interface that has IP from the previous question and that's assigned. That is H0. What is the default gateway configured in the system? We will run the IP arc command to view our routing table. The default entry will display as the gateway IP address utilized for directing traffic beyond the local network. We can also run IP R or IP route. Look, it is same. Look, it is default is 169.254.1.1. Inspect the interface at 0 on Keystone LP10. Is it UP? Not. Bob's default password is Keystone123. We will run IP link and look at the status of the interface starting with H0. We will check what starts with H0. I think this is it UP? No, but it is UP. Which command is used to list and modify network interfaces on a Linux host? And IP link is used to list and modify network interfaces on a Linux host. Which command is used to view the IP addresses assigned to the network interfaces on a Linux host? For that, the 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 IP address command is used. Which command is used to add a new entry to the kernel routing table? For that, the IP route add is used to add a new entry. What is the primary role of a router in a network? To connect two more different networks together, to connect devices within the same network only, to monitor and log all network traffic, to assign IP addresses dynamically to host. This is a primary role, to connect two or more networks together. What does a 0.0.0.00 entry in the gateway field of a routing table means? The route is invalid or unreachable. It is the address of the default internet gateway. No gateway is needed to reach that destination. Traffic is blocked at the firewall. So it means that no gateway is needed to reach that destination. IP addresses changes made with IP header add are lost after the system restart. When must you save this setting through maximum persistent? We should save them at /etc/resolve.conf. We will, that is wrong, or at /etc host, that is also wrong, or this is correct. Which of the following best describes the limitation of a switch in networking? A switch connects two different networks together. A switch can only deliver packets to host, say, network. Switch acts as a default gateway for all hosts. A switch assigns IP addresses to connected hosts. So these are limitations. Switch can only deliver packets in the same network. How many network interfaces including loopback are currently listed on Keystone LP10? Run IP link to find out. There are two. One is it is 1 and 3, but it do not mean that there are 3. 1, 2. According to the lecture, which keyword can be used in place of 0.0.0 when specifying a catch-all destination in a routing table entry? So that means default. The lab is finished. Bye bye friends.